Uh, Hi everyone, I'm Palmeet. I have recently been graduated from UTS. I did my master's in business analytics and did one of the certifications recently as a Power BI data analyst. It's one of the Microsoft certification, which Techcanvass helped me to pass this exam. Currently, I'm working as a data analyst in one of the in an Australian-based company. I think there would be many more times I would be coming here to share my success stories with Tech Canvas because it's the best platform to prepare your certification. Joining Tech Canvas as a platform for my certification was a no-brainer. I already had given one of the previous certification, which is called ECBA by IIBA. Abhishek sir was the professor in that. So choosing Tech Canvas as a platform for another certification was no-brainer. And what experience or knowledge I had before giving this certification was, I can say, I didn't even knew the P of Power BI. But Priyank helped me to structure the whole content and the process and made the process more approachable. I think the entire Tech Canvas team and is genuinely excellent. Whenever I had any doubt, I just messaged to Monica or Ratri, and they were the one who um, helped me to reach Priyank for all my doubts. Whereas on the other hand, Priyank made the structure. Priyank made the whole process more in a more structured way. Uh, Whenever I had any doubt, I could reach out to them directly, and they were very much available. Even we had a lot of time difference. I was here in Sydney and had to match the time with India, so they were very much cooperative with that. So I think everything worked parallelly, side by side, whether it was tutorials or watching tutorials again and again, or solving the case studies on the real world scenarios, or doing the assignments. There are also few of the question like test papers on the platform which we can give as a student again and again. That really helped us and to boost our energy and confidence before giving the exam. Like I just said, that I wasn't aware of even the user interface of Power BI. So getting hands-on experience with on the platform or using DAX queries really Priyank helped me a lot in learning all that stuff. And today, as a data analyst, I genuinely do build reports on it and make use of DAX queries. That's the most interesting part, or the skill that I gained from the course. So, like, I took the online batch, and the whole training was extremely helpful and in a structured manner and covered everything from the basics to the advanced. I never felt that I am being preparing for it underconfidently. So, boosting my energy massively uh, helped me to give the exam and prepare for PO 300. Yes, absolutely. I think mock tests are the must. Everyone should give it. because that gives the real scenario of what all the questions are expected in the exam. Whereas this will not only give you confidence, but a proper format, how the questions would be in the actual scenario, in the actual exam. And overcoming that nervousness is, I think, a person always like half of the battle is won if you overcome your nervous, right? So this preparing with confidence in the exam was what I was like. Help This course helped me a lot. So clearing PL 300 massively boosted my energy. The role that I'm doing today as a data analyst was basically pure example of giving this certification. I think right training and right credentials can genuinely change the trajectory of your career. So I would definitely recommend who everyone to clear this certification. I have or I have already recommended few of my friends for the certification, and people do reach out to me on LinkedIn as well. That where have you did your certification? What all courses or what all? Who was the professor? Did they teach well? They had few of the questions that I was able to clear them, and I recommend all of them. Tech Canvas as a platform. I think it's one of the best platform I've ever had to clear all my certifications in the future as well. Any of the certification I'll be going with, I'll be joining Tech Canvas.